everybody. There's Bouncy. We're about to go to the car wash. And we just had some ice cream at Dairy Queen. Now we're going to stop at the Kwik Shine car wash again. This is my first car wash video of 2017. It is February 18th, 2017. And look at that temperature. It's 68 degrees. It's in there. Where it is, I saw it. Waiting for the light to go by, so I guess we'll just pause for now. Okay, now we are moving after just a few seconds. I shouldn't have even paused it as it go by. We're going to see how busy the car wash is. What's that on the window? Really? Where did you put it? It's in there, I saw it. It's in the other pocket. Or whatever.
I don't see it anywhere. Are you sure?
No, I saw it.
Not on your...
That's it. It was in there. Okay. It's taking us forever because Giant here slows everything up on 322, US 322. Right up there's the car wash. There's storage. No, and then, yeah, probably. Giant is slowing. That's the laundromat entrance.
Oh, God.
We're going to pull in and see how busy this place is. I want to try to get the left of bay. Looks like there might be like 5 or 6 cars in line. There's some manual bays. We should just go in the left lane and see how...
Well, it's working or not.
Yeah, we could go in the... Yeah, both of them are working. So we were going to go to the left one. We could just pull up there. Yeah. We're just going to pull up, I guess. Last time the automatic bay doors were open, but this time they're closed. I want to get the ultimate again. It was about 3 months ago. So be
2:30.
as of 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is 60 degrees. Unbelievable. Anyway, we're going to pause the video for now. People are going into both bays at the same time. Look at that. But we're going into the last one. And that means we have to move up one. Here goes the car. The sun doesn't have much of a zoom lens. It only has a two zoom, 2 times. That door's going to close up shortly. There it goes. And we'll be back once that guy's pulling in. That guy in front of us is going to start pulling in. That guy in front of that guy.
What? Where?
There goes that guy pulling into the bay right now. be a race. Well, this is just like a race.
You have it on.
Yeah, that guy's gonna be, the guy who's in there is gonna be out about 30 seconds. About this guy's gonna be out about another 30 seconds before that guy. It's like we're just gonna race. I think we're gonna be racing that woman over there. They're probably gonna win. That was just random. Now the car in front of us is moving in. Whoa! What was that? I don't know. Look at this. Look at that rainbow on the... See that rainbow? As you can tell, Washworld Razor, if you can read it from here. These systems were replaced. There used to be some kind of Coleman system in this bay, and All-Tech soft touch in that bay. Unfortunately, we can't watch that car get washed. The other guy, the guy who was in front of the one who just got in, probably selected the quick wash right there, because he was done within a few minutes. Okay. I wonder what wash he selected. You have the quick wash for $8, the premium wash for $11, and the ultimate for $12. I just find it ridiculous that the lower one is, the quick wash is $8. That's kind of expensive. We'll move it quickly. Okay. That'll be it for now. That guy's going in, the other one. He's waiting for the other guy to finish with the dryer. Alright, now now that'll be it for now. The guy in front of us is getting dried off. I just put my window up entirely. I'll just put it up right now. You can see it a little bit. Him in there, getting dried off. The door's probably gonna, our door's probably gonna open in a few seconds. It isn't open yet. Up there it's opening. Says we can drive forward. But I'll wait till that guy gets out. That girl there. Woman. There she goes. Okay, we're gonna start pulling in now slowly. Remember to stop right away when it says to. Keep going. Stop right away when it says. Probably about now. We made it. Alright. It's time to start our wash. It's gonna get hot in here. Here comes our probably a little pre-soak. Turn the headlights off or what? Yeah. Watch it in there. The other guy's coming out. We're probably gonna get another pass. Last time it didn't seem to be running very well. Well, who is the other bay? Well, we're getting triple pass up here. No, this one wasn't working last time we came here. Now both of them are working today. This time we're actually going to watch it. You know what it's time for? No. Now it's draining itself out now. It's draining out. It's draining out. It's draining. And here it comes. The high pressure wash. Guess a triple pass on the front. This is where my phone beat low battery last time. About. I just left the part.
That's why. Okay, open the window.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch in the mirror. Or actually back here. Oh, I forgot it's doing another test. This is extremely loud. This is oh, here we go. The trifoam. It's coming back up again. Getting some more on. Whoa, it's really dark in here now. Here comes another high pressure wash. Can you see how dark it is in here? Wow, here it comes. It's coming off. I wonder if it's going to do another pass. No. Now what's it time for? Clear coat. Time for clear coat. Now we got Rain-X. Here comes the Rain-X. Oh, I think this is having a little bit of trouble. Looks like it's running out of Rain-X.
Here we go. Testing. Buddy.
I don't know. We got spot free now, and then we have 50 seconds.
I mean, air driver.
We have 50 seconds of dryer time, I think. And here they come. We're out of here. Almost. Now. I think it's 67 degrees, even though it's... Here we go, Tim. Look at it, it's draining out. It's going to be dripping lots of stuff on the corner. Oh, we have a minute. You can see into the other bay. Alright. That was it. We'll get a view of the car wash. When she gets her seatbelt on. Again, there's the wash options I just went through. Right. Well, we might have some fun pulling out of here. There's McDonald's. Excuse me. window down. Ugh, hot. You know, it was getting hot in here. And how long are we gonna have to wait? We're gonna wait. We're gonna pause for now. Alright, we don't know if anybody's gonna let us out. But we're gonna pull out if we can. Somebody will let us out. I guess we can go. He's coming in. Alright? There is a view of the car wash. Anyway, make sure you like this video. Make sure you answer the poll at the top right corner of the screen. Anyway, that's it. Bye.